Morning guys! So papunta ako ngayon sa Gokbokgung Palace. Magpapa-photoshoot ako with the Korean attire. Pagbook ako sa Klook ng package and kasama na yung photoshoot for 2 hours. Ang package, kasama na yung photoshoot dyan. Tapos pati na rin yung rental ng damit and then basic styling. And may kasama na siyang guided tour. So, think sulit naman na. So, let's go! So today, tutuloy ko na yung naunsyaming photo shoot sa may Gyeongbokgung Palace. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Nag-book ako ng package sa Klook. I think sulit naman siya kasi kasama na yung photos for 60 minutes. Tapos meron na rin siyang rental ng Korean outfit. And then English speaker pa yung mga mag-a-assist sa'yo. Thank you! So, nag-breakfast muna ako kasi may 1 hour pa before yung booking ko sa Klook. Walang ibang choice dito. Medyo pricey sila, pero maganda yung restaurant. Wala na akong choice. Umupo na ako, wala na akong choice. So, medyo pricey, pero maganda naman yung restaurant. So, 12:30 yung booking ko noon para wala masyadong maraming tao kasi mainit, saka lunchtime. So tinatimingan ko talaga na hindi ganun karami yung tao kasi ito yung season na introverted ako na ayoko na yung sobrang crowded na places. Or baka tumatanda na sobrang crowded na place. Pero hindi, tomorrow magpa-party ako eh. So may times na introverted ako, may times na extroverted. Tomorrow, extrovert ako. Kasi magta-try ako ng party package sa Klook din. So, yun, abangan. Bukas. So, dito siya, may mga selections. Yan. Then, ito yung premium. Dito yung ordinary style. Sa premium ako. Yun yung nabook ko. Yun. So, that's my pants. Ito na yung outer. The pants. Front, okay. Okay. Ganda nga actually. So, hindi ko alam kung okay yung nakuha kong black. Naantay na lang namin yung photographer. Tapos punta na dun sa temple. I can carry that. Okay, thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Lin.
Lin. Hi, Lin. This is my vlog. Lin, are you from China?
Taiwan.
Taiwan. Ah, you speak Mandarin. That's why. I stayed in Macau before. Yes. So, I know Mandarin, but I can understand a little Cantonese. I'll go to Taipei.
Oh,
Yeah, August.
okay. You.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully it won't rain. It's already dark. Naglalakad na kami papunta dun sa temple. Hindi ko alam kung magkakarinigan pa. Woo! Samurai. Hi, Lin. So, we're walking towards the temple. How do you pronounce the temple? Gongbokgung? How do you Gongbo? What do you call the temple? Ay, the palace? Gongbokgung?
Gyeongbokgung.
Gyeongbokgung. Gyeongbokgung pala. Gyeongbokgung ako ng Gyeongbokgung. Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Hotdog.
Okay. So good. Ganda. Oh, it's him. What's his name?
I'm not sure his English name, so maybe later you can ask.
Okay, I'll just ask his name. Thank you so much, Lin. Are you gonna leave me here? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later. Papasok na ako sa palace. Dito yung ticket. Tapos, ayun na yung photographer. Solo ko siya. Hello! Solo ko siya. Sasakto yung pagpunta ko ng lunchtime. Kasi ako lang yung pipicture niya. Unlimited to. Hello, what's your name? Yongju. Okay, how many photos?
1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour. So, as many photos as we can? As many photos as we can? Okay lang yun. Dadamihan ko pa rin. Yes. Yes. So after 14 days, I
Yes.
get it after 14 days. Can you show one picture again? One picture. Just show one picture. Yan. So may pa-preview na sila. Ayan. Just show one. Wow! Nice. Isa pa. Wow! Very good. You're very good.
Yeah,
You're very good.
okay.
Yay!
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Init. Nawala ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Hindi ko na alam kung saan yung labasan. Pero guys, kung ako sa inyo, okay na yung sa Klook na photography package. Kunin nyo na yon, sobrang sulit. Kasi alam lahat ni Kuya kung saan yung magagandang spots dito. Sa after ng shoot, may 1 hour na free time. Pwede maglibot-libot dito. Pero ako, balik na ako sa hotel. Kasi pagod ako, wala pa akong tulog. Pero kung ako sa inyo, i-avail nyo na yung sa Klook. Kasi kapag ka nakaganito ka rin, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng entrance. Ang lawak niya, guys. 4 locations yung shoot. Sobrang sulit, ang daming photos. And after 14 days ko daw siya makukuha. So, sulit, guys. Sobrang sulit. Balik na ako dun. Tapos, kakain muna ako. And then, balik na sa hotel. So yun, tapos na. Bili lang ako ng drinks sa 7-Eleven. Tapos, hanap ako ng makakainan. Nakakapagod, pero masaya. After 14 days, makuha na yung photos. Thank you! Bye-bye! 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 Kakain na. Parang medyo pricey dito banda. Mas pricey dito banda. Compared sa may Myeongdong. Hanapin ko yung mochi. Kita ko yung mochi kanina eh. Hanapin ko siya. Ay, siya. No. That's okay, that's okay. Si Kuya mag-o-offer siya ng something. Hindi ko kinuha kasi baka pabayad sa akin. Hello. How much is BTS?
3,000.
60?
3.
Oh, 3,000.
1, 2, 3. Buy holder.
For one.
Okay.
No. I'm just asking. So 3,001.
One piece of 3,000.
This is 3,002.
You 12,000.
12,000.
13 pieces. 13 pieces. Yani.
13 pieces.
13 pieces.
This one.
One.
Ay. 1,000 each.
12 pieces. Sticker 1 piece.
The sticker. Okay, I will go back. Ayun na. So, to yun. Is it the same? Different company, but the same food. Same food? How much is this one set?
8,000.
Do you have assorted, like different flavors?
One box, one flavor.
1 box, 1 flavor.
And 6 kinds of flavor.
Peanut, almond,
Chocolate,
chocolate,
green tea,
cactus, green tea,
cactus. Yes.
Jangdan soybean gift set. Oh, but what's the best seller?
Almond.
Almond?
Yes.
Okay. One set almond.
Where you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Oh, you know Tagalog. Ha?
First time?
First time. Okay.
Long time ago, Korea traditional biscuit made
Oh.
of honey
Oh.
with cornstarch.
Cornstarch and honey.
Fermented honey so hard. Make a hole, another hole, only my hand. Stretching. Now making 16,384 strings. How many?
16,834 strings.
And A16 made of honey, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1,024. Look at it. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Not
Nice.
yet. 2,000, 4,000, 8,000. Last count, 16,000.
Oh, you're serious about 16,000. It's really 16,000 strings. Wow, nice.
Clap.
Clap. Yay. Good.
Divide the heart. One more heart. Cutting. Inside the nuts. Almond, peanut, sesame, black sesame. Rolling. Done.
Nice.
Yummy. And this biscuit you can keep outside 1 month.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Even if it's not in the refrigerator?
Refrigerator inside 3 months.
3 months refrigerator, but without refrigerator, 1 month. Okay.
So many.
Good.
Philippines. Pasalubong.
Oh, yes. Pasalubong.
You want something?
Yes.
Party cake.
Thank you.
This one is an almond flavor. Best.
Nice.
Yes. One almond?
Thank you. I like it so much.
Okay. 8,000. Money here, please.
What's your name?
Me? Mr. Park.
Sir Pak.
Yes.
He laughed, so it's not your name.
Yes. Mr. Park.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mr. Frozen.
Yes. Okay.
Tea, coffee.
Okay. Thank you. So, ito yung 8,000. Ito yung pasalubong set. Balik na lang ako bago umuwi.
How about my shop?
Hello.
Beer?
Oh.
This is a different company. Company is different.
But it's the same. It's the same food.
Same food, but inside
Next
the different.
tomorrow. I'll buy. Tomorrow I'll buy.
Tomorrow?
Yes. I'll finish this one today. Yes.
Buy me dragon beer.
Yeah. One. Okay. Busog na ako sa smoothie na lang. Tapos ice cream. Winter. So, papakita ko yung Airbnb ko kung saan ako nagstay for my first week dito sa Korea. Ito siya, room 510. It's pretty decent. So, naka-keycard siya. Ayan. Tapos, ito na yung room. Good for one lang to. So, centralize yung aircon. Tapos, may restroom na dyan. May shower. And then, may working table dito. Cute bedroom. Tapos, meron ka dito sabitan ng mga damit. Hindi ka lang makagalaw masyado, pero maganda naman dito. May sarili siyang kitchen. Papasilip ko later, pati laundry. Check out na dito. Ito yung kitchen. Hi! I'm just taking a video of it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah, Airbnb. So, kompleto yung gamit. Tapos, May free ramen na din siya every morning. Bye-bye! I'm checking out. Bye-bye. So, ito yung laundry shop. Complete na yan. May washer and may dryer. Merong study room at saka meron ding playroom. Sa taas yun, 7th floor. Tapos meron ding pwede ka rin pumunta sa rooftop. So yun, hindi ko napapakita kasi hindi na ako makakakyat. Nag-aantay na yung taxi. Punta na ako sa Airbnb. Second Airbnb for week 2 here sa Seoul, Korea. So tonight, nag-book ako sa Klook ng Seoul Pub Party. So may mga kasama akong foreigners doon, tsaka ibang turista. Hopefully may mga Koreans din. Magbabar hopping kami. Ano siya, organized by Klook. Ito yung mga inclusions. Ayan, yan yung mga inclusions. Excited ako! Ayan, nakalipat na ako. So, mas malaki siya. Pagpasok mo, andito na yung restroom. Diyan lang yung mga gamit. Mamaya na ako mag-settle. So, ito yung restroom. May shower room doon. Ayan. And then, ito na yung bed. Mas malaki siya compared dun sa una. Then, may konting, may pang-office table ako dyan. Wala nga lang akong chair na maayos. Yun. Buksan ko muna to. Yan. Bababa muna ako. Kakain muna ako, guys. Gutom na ako. So, may powder room. Reception. And then, may garden. Fairness, sana maganda yung lights later tonight. Actually, mas maganda yung location niya kasi pagbaba mo, madami ng establishments. Mas madami. Unlike doon, maglalakad ka pa. Hanap ako ng ng makakainan. Kasi parang puro puro gamit naman ata. Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Parang barbecue. Can I eat? For one. One. So yan, meron siyang binigay na side dishes. Mga kimchi, tapos soft tofu soup. May mga side dishes siyang binigay. If I don't finish it, I can bring home. I can bring home the leftovers. Yeah, okay. Yan, so may mga side dishes pa. What is this?
Fish, egg.
Oh, fish.
Egg.
Egg, okay. And then, kimchi, thank you. Okay. Here. Thank you. Yeah. Actually, di na ako masyadong na-orient. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko kakainin yung iba dito. Parang feeling ko yung iba side dishes naman. Yung iba parang feeling ko kailangan ko pang iinin. So, yan siya. May hot pot. Oh, thank you. Thank you. 안녕하세요. So, pang dalawang tao talaga siya. Yan. Thank you. Ito yung kimchi na sobrang madahon. Sobrang madahon yung binigay sa amin kimchi. Mapait. What's your name? What's your name? Chisong. Kisong. Oh. You're very handsome. Diba? Sipag nila. Sila yung nagluluto ng sambuksal dito. So pag okay na siya, nilalagay na nila sa init. Tapos pwede nang kainin. Dapat pala pag nagpunta ka ng Korea, meron kang kasama. Kasi pang dalawa yung food, pang tatlo, bihira lang yung pang isang. Kain na muna ako, gutom na ako. Later na lang guys. Kain muna ako.
Meanwhile.
Oh, this is it?
This is.
Okay. Okay, kamsahamnida.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So, automatic yan, guys.
DJ